We all proudly celebrate Republic Day on 26 January. So here are some well-written wishes, quotes and messages that you can share with your loved ones on Republic Day. So the first message reads, "Blessed are those who are born in this country. Be proud and walk around with your head held high on this day and always. Happy Republic Day." Second message, on this memorable day, let's take an oath that we would do everything that enriches and preserves the heritage of our nation. Wishing you all a very happy Republic Day. The next message reads, our heroes sacrificed their lives so that the coming generations could live in peace. Let us all salute our martyrs on this powerful and patriotic day. Happy Republic Day to all. With pride in our soul, we pledge to never let go the power of unity as we celebrate Republic Day this year. Let us all hold hands and truly devote ourselves to maintain the honor and dignity of our nation. Happy Republic Day. Republic Day will always be cherished as the day of real independence and freedom. Let us all remember this day's significance and may we all pass on our patriotic thoughts and feelings to the next generation. Happy Republic Day. Feel the power of freedom on this Republic Day. Let us all free ourselves of the chains of ignorance and inhumanity. Let us welcome and celebrate this day by uplifting its true meaning and spirit. Happy Republic Day. The next message reads, bring out the leadership ability hidden inside you on this day when we remember the sacrifices of our great leaders. Let us all be the change that we wish to see in this world. Take a vow to make a difference. Wishing you a very happy Republic Day. We are proud to be citizens of a country with such a rich heritage and history. Let us only work toward making the nation more glorious. Happy Republic Day. Let us hoist our national flag high on this day while we pay tribute to all our national heroes. Let us celebrate this day by welcoming long-lasting peace in our country and in all corners of the world. Happy Republic Day. And the last special message on this occasion of Republic Day reads, as we celebrate the true freedom that our nation achieved on this day, let us make an effort to bring in positive changes that would make our nation proud with integrity and togetherness. Jai Hind. With this, we come to the end of today's video, and from my end, here's wishing all of you a very happy Republic Day. May the spirit of patriotism keep rising every day. Take care of yourselves, and until next time, see you all. Thank you for watching.